got a 2011 Dodge 1500. It come in for a simple cooling system flush and fill, getting it ready for winter. Once the customer dropped it off, it was a crank no start, but it would start and then it would die, and then it would be a crank no start. And I know these things are bad for a fuel pump relay that's built into the fuse box for going bad. And so one of the first things I done was got down to see if the fuel pump was kicking on. Didn't hear no fuel pump. And then I go to the fuse box, and this wire right here was put into the fuse box to run the fuel pump. And I know there's several videos floating around YouTube about how to bypass that fuel pump relay. So I figured I'd just make a little short video of what I done that was a lot better than that thing right there. So we got two ATA fuses here, and linked them together. And right here is your accessory fuse. Plug it in to the accessory fuse, 20 amp fuse, and then you plug it into your fuel pump relay fuse. And that gives you a little bit more protection than just a straight wire. There's several videos on YouTube of people showing how to do this, and I just figured I'd throw a little short video on here, just a quick down and dirty version of it. I ain't gonna go into any details on what it is, because there's other videos explaining it. So if y'all have one of these Dodges, Dodge truck, Dodge Durangos, the minivans, they all have this. They all have that same problem. And that's, like I said, that's just a quick fix to get you through without having to replace this whole entire box, which is about $1,400. So I hope y'all can find this video a little bit helpful. And I'm going to try to make some more videos. I'll see you guys later.